Yo, what's going on, you guys? If you're like me, you like to wear some Gucci shoes while riding your motorcycle, then you probably research how to protect them from getting destroyed or dirty from the shifter on the motorcycle, which is usually on the left-hand side, so your left foot is probably looking real nasty, or at least your left shoe. I found a perfect remedy for this. So really quick, what you got to do is you got to wash your motorcycle, detail it, make it look real nice, and that includes paying a little extra attention to the shifter because you want the shifter to be clean. Now, when it's time to install it, as you can see in the video, you can go ahead and play it back if you'd like. All I'm doing is spraying some Dr. Bronner's with a little bit of water on the shifter, and I'm also putting some of the soapy water inside the actual part, which is called the gear shift cover, or sometimes it's called the shifter sock shoe or the boot protector cover. And this is meant for the Kawasaki, Honda, Suzuki, and the Yamaha motorcycles. So of course I have the Honda here, and yeah, all you got to do is just continuously spray. Be very liberal with it, the shift knob, and of course inside the sock. And you also want to make sure that the outside of this rubber cover is dry, or it's going to be really difficult to just slide this through. As you can see, liquid or soapy water is kind of shooting out when I squeeze this rubber part. Now, I've been riding with this thing for quite some time, and it hasn't changed how I feel when I'm on the motorcycle, and it absolutely has worked exactly as advertised. I'm going to throw up some images of other people basically attesting to what I'm saying. So yeah, I'm very, very happy with this. Now, once you have it installed properly, just go ahead and spray some Dr. Bronner's on the shift cover, the gear shift cover itself, and really clean it. Make sure you have a clean rubber cover before you use it, because it defeats the purpose if it's dirty and you get your shoes dirty again. And then of course wipe down the motorcycle wherever you may have sprayed some of that soap, and you're done, you guys. So if you have any specific questions about protecting your shoes when you're out there in the streets, go ahead and leave a comment. Hope you enjoyed this video. Trying to upload some more short stuff like this. Hopefully it's useful and helpful and all that. So yeah, God bless. Have a good one, and